Hello and welcome to another Sunday update on SUI. Yeah, SUI has reacted very well to the support area we've been tracking. I think around the same time I made a video yesterday. We were just kind of starting to react already to this support zone around the 23.6 fib level. So price bounced and we have a three-wave move up from the low. In that video, I explained to you it's very much possible this is just a B wave, and that actually it's very likely it's just a B wave because it's weekend and we often can't really get a healthy fifth wave on weekends. It might be the case though. I mean, there's nothing wrong with a fifth wave that's in development right now. Quick reminder, the current idea is we might have bottomed in a wave 2. So that's the entire correction that started a few weeks ago, actually a couple of months ago, end of July. Yeah, we have this as a complex correction to the downside, a very complex WXYXZ correction. And then this would be an A, B, C. But to confirm that further, I would need a break below support. I would need a break below $3.29. So what we are tracking at the moment is a possible 5-wave move up. As I said, wave 1, wave 2, and then A, B, C in wave 3. Then wave 4 might be in. That wave 4 might be in. You can never rule out a broader wave 4. I would not even call that a different scenario. It just means the price needs maybe a little bit more time to give us that fifth wave. A different scenario is basically, okay, we break support and we're still in the larger correction, but not on the micro nano level like this, where the same support area is, there for both of these pathways. So the question is, has the wave 4 bottomed or not? It's possible, yeah, but I'm skeptical. It's just weekend. Now, what is more important, because nobody knows, right? What's more important than speculating if we're already in the fifth wave or not is to understand what the next resistances are. So if we push higher, where could the price find resistance? And what are actually the ideal targets for such a fifth wave? Now, you see the upper boundary line of the trend channel. I think if we get there, reach it, then this could be our fifth wave to the upside. The fifth wave, by the way, should unfold as an A, B, C structure because we are in the blue scenario in a leading diagonal pattern. And this might just be wave B of 5, okay? Now, if we come down, hit support again, then doesn't mean it's all over, okay, and that we crash down. It might rather be that this fourth wave simply extends. So if we come down, hit support again, it would be the 350 level and then 342 as next levels that I'm watching. As you can see, we're kind of mid-range at the moment between the first Fibonacci support level, which was already tested on Saturday, and resistance up here starting at 372. Then we've got also here 380 as next level. And I think this area around 380, maybe 388, where we have this upper boundary line, that would be an ideal target for one more high. But let's see if we need to test support again. It will probably also depend a little bit on what Bitcoin does around the weekly candle close. So it will be interesting, very interesting. Normally we start to see some movement come in around the time of our weekly member community live stream. That will run today at 5 p.m. UTC, typically 90 minutes. And very often we see some volatility around that time so that you get an idea when it might happen, that we start to see some momentum come in. Not guaranteed, but that's typically the time when it starts, when traders prepare for the new week. But we might see it live later in the stream. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, feel free to join us later for that community live session. It will be at 5 p.m. UTC. As a member, you also get a lot of additional benefits. For example, there are many member-only videos. You also can get access to our Discord server as a gold member, for example. So check it out. There are a lot of other updates there. And don't forget to follow us on X as well, in case you want to get further updates, charts, and news. It's our Morecryptoonline channel. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.